Let's repaint my room from this to I've always wanted my room to be color white, and when the opportunity came for me to change the painting, I decided to take it. So I want you guys to be the judge. Do you prefer the hood color, this orange look, or do you prefer the white one? Stay with me as I take you through my room tour. I decided to record a short video for you so that you can see what my room looks like before the painter started his job. He's already here and he's painting it already. I love this white color so much, and I would have painted my room color white since, but I just decided that whenever I wanted to paint it white, it was going to be satin. Why? Because it's going to be very, very easy to clean because I have a little girl and I don't want her staining the walls. I'm just so happy right now that my dream is coming true. Stay with me as I repaint and do a little bit of touch up to my room. And let's call this series part 1 because I'm still going to get more things in, but I can't just wait to show you guys what it looks like after the painting. And also I had to just drop this video first before I start moving things in. One thing I love about this painter's job is that it's always very, very neat. There's no way you will repaint your room and you will meet any stain on your thing. You will never meet a stain. It's very, very neat. If you check the floor, you'll see that you will not meet a single paint on the floor. It's not those painter that after painting, you have to clean everywhere. This room, when I told a painter to paint the room orange before this white, the painter did a bad job. If you look at the wardrobe, you still see some stains all over it. If you check my door, you still see some stain on it. If you check the ceiling, you still see all those orange stain. But this one, even while he's working, you will never meet a single stain during his job. It's very, very efficient, and you don't need to stay with him to control him that, okay, do this, do that. He knows already what to do, and he's going to give you a perfect job. He's not even done with the room, and I'm already in love with the color. It's popping up. You see that it looks good with my bed frame. Everything is turning good. This is my favorite color. If white is not your favorite color, just wait till the end of this video because it's going to turn to magic. You're going to love white because anywhere white is, oh my god, white is so beautiful, especially in the night. It sparkles. And what do you think I should get next for my room? What do you think will look good for this room? What to make it pop more? Tell me. Oh my god, it's done with the work. I love it. I just saw everything and I'm in love with it. It's so perfect. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to make videos in this room. I can't wait to make videos in this room. Don't you just love it? Oh my god, is this my room? I love it. Thank you. Thank you, my painter. You did a really good job. Don't you just love the room? See everywhere now. And I've not even finished arranging it. I just moved my bed and my fan in and it's already looking dope. I'm so happy about this because my room is looking very, very nice. See now, see my bed frame. Look at how it's looking good with the white color. Everything is popping. You can still see those orange paints that the hood painter painted everywhere. It was not neat at all. So I had to just get a professional to do this job. And I'm happy I did. Because after everything, I thought I would be there to clean and I would be there to mop the floor. But my friend that recommended this man to me told me that it's the best because after his job, you won't even have to clean a single paint off anywhere. He's going to do a total good job and everything is going to be neat. I did not believe it. You guys, she was not capping at all because it gave me exactly what I wanted. See now, after he finished this job, I could not help but recommend him to my friends also that was planning to paint our room because I did not expect it to turn out this way. It did more than I expected. Oh my god, I love my room so much. What do you guys think? Do you guys also love it? Or do you prefer the whole orange paint? Which would you pick if it was your room? Orange or white? Please let me know in the comment section. Tell me I made the right decision.